Hi guys, today we are ranking the best ergonomic keyboards. You can find the links of the products featuring in this video at the description below. The Matias Ergo Pro is a very good TenKeyLess office keyboard, thanks to a split keyboard design and great ergonomics. The wrist rest is comfortable, and the tactile switches give good feedback, delivering an impressive overall typing experience. However, without any dedicated macro keys, RGB backlighting, or programmable software, most gamers will be disappointed with it. On the upside, there are two variants for Windows and Mac OS, so you can get the one that suits your computer. Microsoft Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard stands out with its modern design and affordable price. You can use this keyboard with any device that runs Windows 10. It connects with USB or Bluetooth Low Energy. It requires two AAA batteries that should last up to a year with regular use. This Surface branded keyboard sports a gently sloping ergonomic arc that comes to rest at a stylish two-tone palm rest. The keyboard's slim design makes it an ideal option for those looking for a lightweight and portable accessory. The key switch life ranges from 500,000 to 10 million presses, so it's a durable investment. Additional features include multimedia keys and 128-bit AES encryption. While the Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard may not be the fanciest model around, it is easy on the hands and arms. Microsoft's peripheral has a domed, split layout and a reverse tilt design that keeps wrists in a neutral position. The curved, cushioned palm rest provides plenty of support to reduce fatigue. The keys are cleverly arranged to emulate the curvature of human fingers. Microsoft's keyboard lacks customization options, but is straightforward and reliable. It includes an ergonomic mouse designed for maximum rodent pushing comfort, and a separate number pad to reduce your overall travel distance. That's not a bad three-piece deal for the price. The Kensington ProFit Ergo Wireless Keyboard is the best ergonomic keyboard in the budget category. This full-size model features a curved board with a fixed wrist rest and 3 feet that create a negative angle. This design should result in a more natural typing position and reduce stress on your wrist. It connects with Bluetooth, or with its USB receiver, and you can pair it with up to 2 devices at once. It uses tactile rubber dome switches that are fairly light to type on and feel quite responsive. The overall typing quality is decent, and you shouldn't feel too much fatigue from using it. It's also very quiet, and shouldn't bother people around you, even in a noise-sensitive environment. It's fully compatible with Windows, and while some keys don't work on other operating systems, all the alphanumerical ones work on Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Unfortunately, the build quality is only decent as the board feels rather cheap, and has a lot of flex to it. It also lacks backlighting, making it harder to use it in the dark, and there isn't any software support to help you customize it to your liking. Nevertheless, this is still an impressive office keyboard, if you're on a budget, and it should feel very comfortable once you get used to the split key layout. The Logitech Ergo K860 wireless split keyboard is the best ergonomic wireless option. This full-size model has remarkable ergonomics with a fixed wrist rest and 2 incline settings that create negative angles. It has a curved design with 2 different key sections, and it feels fairly well built overall. You can use it wired or wirelessly and connect it with up to 3 different devices at the same time. It uses standard tactile scissor switches that require quite a bit of force to actuate, but that remain fairly responsive overall. They provide a great typing experience and are very quiet, so it shouldn't bother anyone even in a noise-sensitive environment. It's compatible with the Logitech Options software, which allows you to customize some keys with a list of preset commands, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Unfortunately, it's rather large, especially considering that the wrist rest is non-detachable, so it may take a lot of space on your desk. Its curved design may also feel a bit odd at first for some people, and it doesn't have any backlighting, making it harder to use it in dark environments. That said, this is still a great option for the office, and it's one of the best wireless keyboards out there. The Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB is the best ergonomic wired keyboard. This mechanical TenKeyLess model is an outstanding choice for gamers thanks to its light and responsive feel. It has a sturdy build that doesn't show any signs of flex, and the stable keycaps are an improvement over the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. Each key is backlit, and you can control the brightness of the RGB lighting directly on the board. The Cherry MX Brown switches offer subtle tactile feedback over a small bump. If you don't like the feeling of brown switches, you can also get it with Cherry MX Linear Red, Clicky Blue, or Linear Speed Silver switches. Typing quality is great overall, plus the split design and plushy wrist rest allow for a very comfortable typing experience. It's also compatible with the RGB SmartSet software, which allows you to program macros and customize the RGB backlighting. Unfortunately, due to the unconventional split design, typing may feel awkward at first. Also, there are no incline settings, but you can buy a lift kit separately if you want to adjust the height. Lastly, will all of its keys work on Windows and Linux? The pause break key doesn't work on Mac OS. That said, if you want a wired model with great ergonomics, then this is an impressive option as it's one of the best mechanical keyboards in the market. Thank you for watching so far, and we hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time.